Fisherman's Wharf in Monterey, California, also known as Old Fisherman's Wharf, is a popular waterfront area steeped in history and known for its vibrant atmosphere, seafood restaurants, unique shops, and ocean views. Originally established in the 1840s as a trade and commercial fishing hub, the wharf played a major role in Monterey's economy, especially during the sardine fishing boom in the early 20th century. Today, the wharf has transformed into a lively tourist destination offering a mix of activities, shopping, and dining experiences. The wharf is home to numerous seafood restaurants, many offering complimentary clam chowder samples to entice visitors. You'll find a range of eateries from casual to upscale, serving fresh local catches like clam chowder, calamari, and Dungeness crab. Wharf's wooden boardwalks and historic architecture, along with beautiful views of Monterey Bay, make it a picturesque spot for a stroll. Interpretive signs highlight the area's history and significance to the fishing industry. Fisherman's Wharf is a starting point for many whale-watching and fishing excursions. Tours operate year-round, with opportunities to see gray, humpback, and blue whales, as well as dolphins, sea lions, and other marine wildlife. You'll often spot sea otters, harbor seals, and pelicans around the wharf. Nearby, the Monterey Bay Aquarium adds to the appeal with its interactive exhibits on marine life. Visitors can browse various shops selling gifts, souvenirs, locally crafted jewelry, and art. Many shops offer Monterey-themed items, including seashell art and ocean-inspired clothing. Fisherman's Wharf hosts occasional festivals and events, such as the Monterey Clam Chowder and Calamari Festival, which celebrates the region's maritime heritage and cuisine. Located near Cannery Row, the wharf is also within walking distance of other attractions, making it a central part of any Monterey visit. It captures a blend of old and new, with its charming historical roots alongside modern amenities for a memorable waterfront experience.